In this video, I will show with you how to open PayPay bank account in Japan. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google, search for open PayPay account. This is the keyword. Click the first result here for customer PayPay bank. You will see this apply page. From here, write just your email address. And then when you write your email address, friends, as you can see here, I see one page complete your one opening procedure. Just click, you go to your email account. After you open your email, you will see this one. Just wait, friends. After that, when you write your email address, email sent completed. Just open your email here. That's friends, as you can see here. This is, I confirm my email here in this option. And then guys, complete this saving account if you want to open your saving account. And then from here, this option, you have Japan, no nationality Japan. If you're from your Japan, select this one. And then complete these steps, write your surnames. And for example, this is your surname, last name. And then, for example, this is your anterior Kanaji, and this is your name. From here, write your this your all details. After that, confirm your identity, enter your version's name, complete your identity here, and then you will open your account successfully without any problem. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.